My name is Anna O'Brien. I'm a Senior Vice President of Business Development at TMC Financing. I help small business owners make the switch from leasing to owning or expand their reach via the SBA 504 program. While TMC Financing operates throughout Arizona, California, and Nevada, I focus on businesses in San Francisco and the North Bay. Let's talk about the SBA 504 loan program and how it relates to your business. The United States Small Business Administration, or SBA, 504 loan is an affordable financing option for small business owners looking to purchase real estate for their business. It promotes small business growth and job creation throughout the country. The SBA 504 program allows business owners to purchase or build a building with only 10% down and a below-market 25-year interest rate. SBA 504 loans are distributed through Certified Development Companies, or CDCs, such as TMC Financing, and provide fixed-rate financing for up to $5 million for small business owners to buy commercial real estate, machinery, or other fixed assets. The program makes it easier for businesses to own the space where they operate, rather than be at the mercy of a landlord. SBA 504 loans can be used to purchase fixed assets, including land, buildings, and heavy machinery and equipment. You can also use a 504 loan to finance ground-up construction or improvements to your space. To give you a little bit of background about TMC Financing, as a certified development company, we're a nonprofit, mission-based lender headquartered in Oakland, California, and operating throughout California, Arizona, and Nevada. We have been providing SBA financing since 1981, when the loan program was first rolled out. Over the past 40 years, we've had the pleasure of working with 6,000 different businesses, helping them and their local communities thrive. There are a lot of benefits of becoming your own landlord. With your down payment and each monthly payment, you are building equity and are the owner of an appreciating asset. Perhaps most importantly, you get to stabilize your occupancy expense. The 504 loan allows you to mitigate the volatility of rising rents so you can operate your business with minimal risk, and you are no longer at the mercy of a landlord. The SBA 504 loan is the most advantageous way you can purchase property for your business. With only 10% down, you can purchase a building or even construct one. The interest rate is below market and fixed for 25 years. No additional collateral is required, and there is no limit to the total project cost. If you were to get a conventional commercial mortgage from a bank, they'd require anywhere from 25 to 35% down, which is a considerable capital requirement on the front end. At TMC Financing, our mission is to minimize the capital requirement, making it easier to buy your building and secure your future. To reiterate, our mission, our goal is to help businesses to preserve their working capital, granting them flexibility to grow and expand. To maintain the integrity of the program and the mission, your business must occupy at least 51% of the building. On new construction, you must occupy at least 60% of the building. You could supplement your income by leasing the unused space in the building. Interest rates are below 3% and fixed for 25 years. The program recently hit record low interest rates, but it is always below market and remains fixed for the life of the loan. We offer fully amortized loans for 10, 20, or 25-year terms. We partner with banks, credit unions, and private money lenders, enabling us to offer 90% financing. Typically, our lending partner provides 50% of the financing. Through the SBA, we provide up to 40%. You only have to provide a 10% down payment in most scenarios. We make the process easy so you'll feel as though you're applying for one loan. In essence, you will have two separate pieces of debt, which gives you flexibility well into the future. As SBA loan providers, our interest rate remains fixed for the term of the loan. The bank rates will vary. Let's use the example of Genius Kids, a school in Concord, California. The owners of Genius Kids had owned the business for a few years and had been leasing their space. At some point, they found out that the property owners were going to sell. Since they didn't want to relocate and disrupt their business, they sought us out. We provided 90% financing, and they now own the building and increased their cash flow by leasing out extra space to other tenants. At TMC Financing, we've had the pleasure of working with businesses in all different industries, from schools to wineries, car washes, manufacturers. The SBA 504 loan is most often used to finance real estate, but you can also finance machinery and equipment with a service of at least 10 years long. Additionally, we can provide several loans to one business. For instance, TMC Financing has worked with Vixx, a restaurant and market in Berkeley, on 5 separate occasions. We helped them purchase a warehouse with only 10% down. Their next purchase was a grocery store. After that was a restaurant and a parking lot. As his business continued to expand, they added new revenue streams that the 504 loan program was able to support. Their latest loan with us was a refinance loan. They refinanced about $3 million they had in debt to gain better terms from the SBA 504 loan. They also received an additional $1.5 million in cash out. An SBA 504 loan can be used to refinance existing commercial real estate debt. Using the equity built up by the loan payments, you could refinance the outstanding debt to gain a below-market fixed rate. In this example, the small business owner had $3 million in commercial real estate debt. They also needed $1.5 million in cash out. Using the equity from the property only, the small business owner was able to refinance with the SBA 504 loan to gain the attractive terms of the loan and access cash that was trapped in their real estate. One of the greatest aspects of the program is that most for-profit, small and medium-sized businesses are eligible. The business must occupy at least 51% of the building, tangible net worth must be less than $15 million, and after-tax business net income must be less than $5 million. However, alternative size standards can be met. So if you're not sure if you're eligible, the best way to determine your eligibility is to call a local certified development company such as TMC Financing. With only a few documents from you, we can complete the pre-qualification process within 3 days. This is at no cost or obligation to you, but it would jumpstart the process and give you an idea of what your financing could look like. Additionally, a pre-qualification letter will help you when it's time to make an offer on a property. At TMC Financing, small business success is our success. We aim to connect with your vision and give your business the means and flexibility to grow. No matter what stage you're in the buying process, please contact TMC Financing to see how we can help you thrive.